Good morning, folks. On the euro pound today, I'm gonna represent the euro pound. What we probably seeing in front of you is the group that is a lifetime service discourse channel group, and the subscription into the group is nothing but the 142 US dollar. 142 once off US dollar subscription into the group. It's a lifetime service. Signals are sent whenever they become available on a daily basis. I must say that it is not actually calculated that I send this number of pips per week. I don't even bother calculating those pips thing. But to be part of a channel here is 142 US dollars. That's the Discord channel. We also have the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel, guys, which is 150 rands. That's the local deposit. And $15. That's the Skrill deposit. So if you want to be a Telegram channel is a monthly channel. So for every month there's a new channel. We had a channel for June. It's coming to an end tomorrow. Therefore, we will start a new channel for July. So as for the Discord channel, you get to see each and every channel that I actually create. I don't need to add you into channels in Discord. You see them. We have this one over here. That is July. Made for July. So all the subscribers, they will see setups being posted in that channel of July. Don't miss it. If you want to join the channel, you write to me on Telegram using my Telegram link below. All right. Then whenever I see your Telegram message, I will respond and give you details on how you can be part of those channels. Whether you want to be the part of a Telegram channel, that is the monthly subscription, whether you want to be the part of the once-off paid channel, it's gonna be your call. All right. Quickly, guys, let me just jump into the signal or the analysis outlook that will be based on the euro pound. In front of me here is a euro pound structure. The way I see it. So maybe you also have the way you see it. But that is why when people taking signals, it is good to, if you have a strategy also. All right, euro pound, we want a push lower. I'm expecting to take this to this lower here, that is 0.9004 before getting maybe a corrective structure that can continue lower. in this structure. But the current focus or the current move that I'm expecting to trade, this, it will be this one here that is coming lower. As we are looking on this chart, on a 4-hour chart, we can be convinced that this last move, it is 1, 2, 3, and the current move is 5, is 4, and this can continue to push to the blocks, to the box, and give us a 5 before we have this lower, the lower move. All right. So the market can still have, can possibly still have about how many pips to the upside, can still trade for the next coming 29 pips up. So as for people who have good equity, they can take this targeting this 91 pips lower. So, but if it continue to go upside, it will be completing the wave 5. So from the box there or lower here, that would be 125 pips, 126 pips. So you can also wait for this market to complete this. You can see that the market is ranging sideways. It can push one more up to that level before giving us this drop of 126 pips. All right. Over this area, we will exit our trade and expect that the market can continue correcting. And this correction will mean nothing. It will mean that we still continue lower. All right. So you will take this setup once it is confirmed over here and take it lower. If it gets to the blue box, that level that is priced with, let's see what's the price there, 0.91282, you can take an aggressive entry. If it pushes to that level, you take an aggressive entry and hold your trade to 0.90004. Okay, that is this lower. So possibly they can just bounce this. This might become a very beautiful resistance that this will do this, bounce and come bounce again, continue lower. Maybe it will be support, not resistance. This might be a support. If it becomes a support, there's the market will start correcting, pushing 3 waves, willing to give you what you will read easily as a head and shoulder. Then the market will continue to drop. Therefore, we will be dropping the market to the next lower, which is this one. That is the forecast. If you will monitor it correctly, you'll be able to get this trade to the pip. You can use the lower time frames to get your entries, proper entries. Okay. I am also going to update this setup into my channel, into my channels there. Okay. And hence, as I said, some people who have enough equity, they can take this. This can look, if you look into the smaller time frame, this can look like it has done 1, 2, 3 lower and has gave this as the wave 5. It can be a wave 5 that can be called a truncated wave 5. So it cannot, maybe it is not finished yet with this move because we are having this move down and 1, 2, 3 up and it's coming lower like that, giving us a corrective structure here and is ready to push one more up. We should also look for one more up that will be taking us to that level. So wait for one more up that can possibly happen here. It can also push lower to the next available demand, these levels over here, and maybe give you one more up trade to the upside. Look out for that, guys. It's a beautiful setup. Once the signal it is available, I will be the proper entries, nice entries, clear entries becomes available. I will update this to the channels. All right. Tomorrow, though tomorrow I might not be available, but I will make means should this becomes available. If it continues to give a corrective structure like that for one more up, the guys in the group will find this available either for the upside to be traded and get the small pips, okay, and also the downside as well when it becomes available over this area, and we will be trading it to 90004, and we're going to expect that they give us a corrective structure, deeper corrective structure, and we will love to see them taking us to the low that has been mentioned thus far. All right, cheers, guys. If you want to subscribe into the channels mentioned, that is the Telegram, where you are paying monthly of 150 rands. If you are transferring your money using the bank, local banks, use the number below. If you are using a Skrill deposit, you will be using my, you will be paying $15, the Skrill deposit. My contacts are below this video at Mtunga F. That's my Telegram. Therefore, I'll get you into the group. You're welcome to, if you want to join you want to join the lifetime service, but you're not sure, you can also start by joining the Telegram and maybe see how it goes, because it's much cheaper. And if you don't like the signals, you don't like the service, we will see you disappearing. All right. Watch for this to give you one. After that one, to the box there, completing that butterfly, we will come lower to this level. Once this level is complete, we want to see this pulling back, a pullback. Then after the pullback, we want to see this continuing lower. All right. And we can also even ignore, you can ignore, because we've got a big potential trade to the downside that is coming. If you like, you can also ignore the move to the upside. But if you want just to quick pocket here, you can take that move. It's going to be a short move to the upside. As I said, about 28 pips up. All right. Have a lovely go on, guys. Until we have another outlook next month. Cheers.